Welcome to Science Hub. Today, we're exploring a fascinating discovery about our sleep habits. For a long time, we've categorized ourselves as either early birds or night owls. But a recent study is changing that notion by revealing that there are actually 5 distinct sleep patterns. This breakthrough helps us understand the profound impact our sleep habits have on our health. Traditionally, people were divided into 2 categories when it came to sleep: the early risers who greet the dawn with energy and the night owls who thrive in the late hours. However, new research is challenging this simplistic view. Published in Nature Communications, a study by researchers from McGill University used machine learning algorithms to analyze brain imaging data and questionnaires from 27,000 participants in the UK. Instead of finding just 2 sleep patterns, they identified 5 unique types, each with its own biological and behavioral traits. Among these 5, there are 3 categories of night owls and 2 of early birds. One type of night owl, referred to as the high-performance owl, exhibits enhanced cognitive abilities despite a tendency for risk-taking and challenges with emotional regulation. Another type, known as the vulnerable owl, tends to be less physically active and more likely to smoke, with health issues like depression, heart disease, and diabetes. The third type of owl is predominantly male and associated with higher rates of smoking, alcohol consumption, and elevated testosterone levels. This could explain why night owl tendencies are more common in men. On the flip side, the first category of early birds, called the classic bird, is characterized by good health markers such as efficient brain networks and lower rates of smoking and drinking, along with emotional stability. The second early bird type, which leans towards women, shows higher rates of depressive symptoms and menstrual issues. These findings suggest that these sleep patterns may result from a complex interaction of genetics, hormonal changes, and environmental factors like work schedules or light exposure. Yet, the mystery of how each factor shapes an individual's sleep pattern remains. Charlene Gamaldo, a researcher from Johns Hopkins University who was not involved in the study, emphasizes the importance of big data and machine learning in pioneering new understandings of sleep patterns. However, she notes that relying on self-reported data requires further investigation to determine the causal relationship between these patterns and health outcomes. This study offers a fresh perspective on the diversity of human sleep patterns, paving the way for a deeper understanding of how sleep affects overall health. While more research is needed to establish causality, this discovery opens the door to future studies exploring the genetic and environmental influences on sleep patterns. Be sure to subscribe to Science Hub for more intriguing insights into the world of science.